Hello, here we have one of our latest jobs in, Range Rover, that's in for security tracking. Fitted a MetaTrack deadlock into this, which allows you to be able to track the vehicle yourself, but you can also shut the starter down, so the vehicle can't be started. Impervious to clone attacks. We've also fitted DR900S, Blackvue dash camera. Lovely and discreet. Just fits there behind the rear view mirror. In terms of view from the driver, barely even visible at all from the driver's seat. Connects up to your phone via an app, so you can review it and assess it and send it. Don't know if you can see. There's the back one. Incredibly difficult to fit a rear camera onto one of these modern Range Rovers. Plastic sealed tailgate, but not a problem for us here at Car Electronics Derby. If you need any security or any good quality dash cams fitting or audio upgrades or anything else into your Range Rover, give us a shout.